How to replace collimating lenses. First, clean the laser gun. Then remove the screws. Then, remove the rear assembly. Put in a clean place. Then you need a professional tool. For removing lens, align the slot inside. Rotate inward. Slowly remove the lens. Place it steadily. Remove the sealing ring. Put it in a clean and dust-free place. Get a piece of new lens. Pinch the side. Put it here. And get the sealing ring back. Make sure the position is not biased. Then vertical. Put them in. Tighten outward. After that, put back the components. See that mark? Install the screw. That's done.